Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your PIN code on the Edge Wallet app. It's quick, easy, and a great way to keep your account secure. So let's jump right in. First, open the Edge Wallet app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Let me enter my PIN code for this wallet. Once you're in, tap on the menu icon in the top right corner and then select Settings from the drop-down list. Now in the settings menu, find and tap on Change PIN. Now enter your current password. Account settings is unlocked now. Again go to Change PIN and then enter your new desired PIN and tap Done. As you can see, your PIN has successfully changed. Now tap OK. Make sure your new PIN is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. And that's it. You have successfully changed your PIN on the Edge Wallet app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.